If you're a business owner who's running ads and you're getting a lot of form submissions, then you probably know that not every lead is worth your time, because you may be getting a couple of hot leads, but there will be tons of leads out there that will just be there to waste your time and are not the right fit for your business. So what if you could have an AI agent that could qualify the leads for you? This could actually save you and your team countless of hours in the long run. So I built this automation that does just that. So what it'll do is basically whenever a lead submits a form throughout your website, throughout Facebook ad or any other way, so whenever a lead submits a form, the information on the form that the lead has provided, it will be sent out to an AI agent where the AI will algorithmically analyze all the information and give it a score out of 100. And this score will help you analyze if this lead is actually the right fit for your business or not. All right. Now, this lead score will actually help you understand if this lead is actually worth pursuing or not. So let me actually show you guys a very quick demo as to what I'm actually talking about. So I've prepared a form for you guys, and this is a very basic lead generation form for real estates. So as you can see that there is name, email, and a couple of information that I have to provide. And this is basically a very basic form. So let's just put out all the information. My name is Oscar. Let's just put out a simple email for now. And what type of property are you interested in? Let's say I'm interested in buying a property. What is your budget range? So let's say I have a budget of around 100K to 300K, and I'm interested in purchasing. When are you planning to make a move? So I want to make a move within 3 months. Okay. So once I click on the submit button, something will happen. You can see that this automation has been triggered, and let me just go through this CRM over here. So this is the CRM that I've prepared, and as you can see that this is all the information that has been stored on the CRM. But the best part of this automation is that I have a lead score over here, which is 85, and this score was given by the AI. Why? Because let's say it actually happened because I had a pretty high budget score. I was interested in buying a property, and then I had a pretty high budget, let's say 100 to 300K. Maybe it was, if it was below 100K, then the score would have been a bit lower. And let's say if I was planning to make a move after 6 months, then the score would have been even lower. So this is a form for real estates, but this can be applied for any niche, any industry, any form that you can possibly think of. Basically, if you're running a farm and you're getting a lot of inbound leads, then this automation will definitely help you out. And this score that you guys are seeing over here, it was given by the AI. All right, like I said. And as you can see, I've also received a pretty cool email over here. And the goal of this email is just to be notified that I have received a hot lead, and I think that I should go for it. I should maybe ask my sales team to actually contact the lead. So let's say, hey boss, a new high priority lead has been submitted. This is the information on the lead, and then this is the lead score. The main goal is the lead score over here, because the AI is basically doing all the heavy lifting for me, just analyzing the important stuff and just helping me out over here. Now let me actually show you how you guys can set this up for your business right away. This is quite simple. You don't need to know how to code, or you do not need to be very technical to set this up. So what I'll do is I'll be sharing this full template that you guys are seeing over here absolutely for free, and you can find this down in the description down below. So there will be a link provided named as the resource hub. So what I want you to do is click on the resource hub, and then you'll be able to find the title of the video where you'll be able to access this template. All right, so once you download this template, you're gonna have to head over to make.com, and then click a scenario, and then once you're inside a scenario, you'll just have to import this file that you have downloaded, and then you'll be able to access this. Now let's just start off with this, because this is the most important part over here. So I used Tally, which is basically a form builder app where you can just build forms pretty easily. So I used Tally and I integrated it with over here. So let's say if you're using Google Sheets to actually store your form submissions, then what you can do is basically connect it with Google Sheets over here, right? Because there is also an option for Google Sheets where you can just check on if there is a new response. So let me just get rid of this. So if you click on Google Sheets, let's say, you can click on watch new rows, and once you select this, basically you'll be able to just get the information once a lead has submitted a form. All right, so once a lead has submitted a form, we want to send the information that was provided by the lead, send it to the ChatGPT module over here. Let me just click on this module over here. So this is basically a ChatGPT module where I have given it an instruction given it a prompt that you are an AI lead scoring assistant and your job is to analyze a lead submission from a real estate firm and assign a score between 1 to 100. So the score must be based on the quality and readiness of the lead. We want to ensure that this is a lead that is serious. So the only output from you should return the numeric score. You can actually find the inter prompt once you import this template, like I said, from the resource hub down below. But yeah, so I'm just passing out the values from this form submission over here. So if you're using a webhook to actually receive the information, then you can actually connect all the information from the webhook and place it over here. All right. So you can just replace Tally with the webhook, or let's say if you're using Google Sheets to actually track the submissions, then you can use Google Sheets over here. So once that's done, this is the scoring guideline or the scoring metrics that I've set up, that if the budget is below 100K, then it will be 20 points. If the budget is within 100K to 300K, then it's 40 points. And if the least budget is from 300 to 500K, then it will be 70 points. So you can definitely set this up for your business, for your use case, based on what service you're providing or what type of leads you're actually looking for. You can actually modify the points by yourself. It's completely up to you. Let's say if the leads timeline is that they want to purchase a property or sell a property within this month, then the points are even higher, which is 30 points. Let's say if the lead is interested in like selling the property within the next 3 months, then it will be less points because the time duration is higher over here. So I hope you guys get the idea over here. And then we're providing it a final score over here that add the points from all the categories and then cap the maximum score at 100. Output only the final score. We just want this AI agent to actually output the score only, because the goal of this AI agent is just to analyze the information, check if the lead is a serious lead or not, give it a score, and then just give it as the output. Very simple. And then we're just giving an example that if the input is like this, the output from this module should only be a number based on the information provided. All right. So that's basically it. And then we're basically sending the information to a CRM, which we are using. So if you're using Google Sheets, then you can just, click on the plus button and select Google Sheets, and you'll be able to find the Google Sheets module over here, where you'll be able to send the lead score over there. But I'm using Airtable to actually track the information over here. All right. So this is the lead score, as you can see. So once the AI has done its analyzation, it will just send the lead score to the CRM, which is this one. This is where I'll be able to track all the information. And then I'm receiving a notification at the end that I've just received a hot lead from my form submission, and I should definitely check it out. So yeah, you can just click on the email module over here, just connect it with your email. And if you have G Suite account, then it's pretty easier to set up. So yeah, but if you're using a personal account, then it's quite harder to set up with email connection on Make. But anyways, you just put out the email where you want to forward the email to, and then just click on over create an email by yourself, and then just set up an email template over here, so that every time you want to receive a notification, it will be based on this template that is provided over here. All right, that this is the lead score, which is coming from this module, as you can see. Now once you click on save, and once you turn this automation on, so every time a lead submits a form throughout your website or any other way, they will basically analyze the form, give it a score, store it over here, and you will receive a notification. That way you just won't have to waste your time on leads that are not important, right? So that's basically it. There's a lot of things we can do with this, but I think that this is something that I've been using for my business, and I think that a lot of modern businesses should also be implementing this, and this will save you a lot of time and hours, and yeah, hopefully be able to generate you guys some extra money as well. Alright, so this is basically it for today's video, and I really hope you guys found the video valuable. And if you are a business owner and you would like to have something like this set up for your business, you're interested in AI and you would like to see the growth that AI can bring to your business, then you can book a free discovery call with me in the description down below. There will be a link provided where you can be able to book a call with me, alright? Also, if your business owner is actually running Facebook ads, or you're spending a lot of money on ads and you're not getting the results that you're looking for, then there will be another video provided over here. You can just click on this video that will be popping up on your screen, and this will take you to a video where you can actually understand how you can use AI to actually get more results for each and every ad spend for your business. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.